Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to review a pen. Uh, the name of the company is, you can see here, Rodito. The name of the company is Rodito, and the model is Rodito RoboMax. Yes, this is the pen. The box of the pen. It's written as now free RoboStats collectibles inside. So yes, there are two type of colors. One is blue and the other is black. No other color variation available for this model, and the price of the product is 50 rupees. Not a very high priced pen, and any school student or any person who wants to use it daily can buy it easily from the local shop. And yes, this is the Rodito RoboMax box. I am going to unbox it. Just watch till the end of the video, and if you like such video, please put a like button, comment whatever you want to tell us, share among your friends, and subscribe my channel. And those who have already subscribed, thank you to them. Now I am going to review the pen Rodito RoboMax. Yes, this is the pen you can see here with the box. Yes, this is the pen Rodito RoboMax. Yes, now you can see the pen. A very simple pen indeed, and the look is very awesome. Yes, the length of the pen is 5 inches. It's a 5-inch pen. Now I can compare it with another same type pen, that is Reynolds Trimax. The pen is Reynolds Trimax, and you can see here both the length, both the pen length is equal. That means both the pen is 5 inches long. Reynolds Trimax is also a very good pen, but personally I like Robomax, Rodito RoboMax more than Reynolds Trimax. I will say why I like it more than Reynolds. Just watch till the end. Now that clip of the pen. Yes, this is the clip of the pen. Here it is written R, that means Rodito, and the clip is steel and very hardy clip, very hard clip. Yes, this is the bottom of the pen. This is the bottom section with a slight design and marking, some edge end. There are some marks. Yes, and this is the unique part of the pen, the nib section. Yes, we can see many pen with needle point nib and other many other things, but here the nib is hidden inside the body. The ball section is almost invisible. Very good looking nib. Wow, what a pen. And this is the grip section. There is a uh, very good. The grip section is very good to write with for a long time. And this is the, you can see here, the Reynolds Trimax pen. The nib is needle point, and here is the Rorito Robomax nib. Both are good pen, but I preferably like the Rorito Robomax more than the Reynolds Trimax. And here this is both side by side. You can see here Reynolds is of green color, and the Rorito here, which I am reviewing, is a black color. Yes, a very good pen. Now I am giving you some writing samples of the pen. Yes, this is the normal paper, not any company, branded company or something like that. Yes, see, watch just how the writing is crystal clear writing. Rorito Robomax. This is the black color pen. The ink is black, and there is no skipping while writing, and very smooth writing. No skipping, no scratching, nothing. Yes, and this is the blue ink color of Rorito Robomax. This is also good, but I like the Robomax black because of its color. The color is very bright, and blue is also good. You can use it in both color variation. I preferably like the black one because of its wetness, because of its flow, because of its smoothness. A very unique and identical pen, I can say. Yes, these are the two color variations. Yes, and now I am going to show you the most beautiful section of the pen. This is the barrel section, the ink barrel, which makes the pen unique because of its liquid ink flow. You can just watch the barrel. I am trying to focus it. Just look how the ink level can be seen from the outside. Yes, the ink level, it's now on the bottom, and now it is rolling on the other side. Yes, the ink level is clearly visible in this pen. But I can say that in the black color of the Rorito Robomax, you cannot very quite easily can see the ink level because of its color. The black makes the barrel hazy, not clear, crystal clear, but just I am going to try to show you the barrel. But yes, it's very difficult to see the ink level, but you just watched that in the blue pen, the ink level is very crystal clear. Yes, thank you for watching, and you can buy the pen from any local shop, or if there is no stock in the local shop, you can just order it, or you can place a order in any kind of online shopping like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. Thank you for watching. Stay connected, like, comment, share, and please subscribe. Thank you. Watch you again.